Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Today I'm excited to share with you how I've personally turned my channel into a money-making machine using AI automation. Get ready to learn the insider secrets that have helped me make thousands every month on YouTube. Let's kick things off with content creation. As someone who's been in the YouTube game for a while, I know firsthand how time-consuming it can be to produce high-quality videos consistently. But with AI-powered tools like Content Samurai and Lumen 5, I've been able to streamline the entire process. These tools analyze my content and automatically generate visually stunning videos in a fraction of the time, allowing me to focus on creating awesome content that resonates with my audience. Now let's talk about SEO optimization, the secret sauce behind skyrocketing your video's visibility and reach. With AI tools like TubeBuddy and Vidic, I've been able to unlock a treasure trove of data-driven insights that have taken my SEO game to the next level. From keyword suggestions to tag recommendations, these tools have helped me outsmart the YouTube algorithm and get my videos in front of the right audience. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some of the most successful YouTubers who have leveraged AI automation to achieve massive success. These creators have attributed their meteoric rise to the power of AI tools. By staying ahead of the curve and harnessing the latest technology, they've been able to turn their passion into a lucrative full-time career just like I have. So how can you harness the power of AI automation to supercharge your YouTube earnings? Here are some pro tips based on my personal experience. Focus on niche topics with high search volume, engage with your viewers to build a loyal community, and monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. By implementing these strategies, I've been able to make thousands every month on YouTube, and you can too. And there you have it, my personal journey to YouTube success using AI automation. By implementing these strategies and staying creative and consistent, you too can turn your passion for creating content into a profitable online business. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tips today and let's turn your YouTube dreams into reality together.